Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet where we turn everyday homes into beautiful, livable spaces. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite seasonal transformations, the summer farmhouse. Picture sun-warmed linen, wildflowers in mason jars, and open shelves lined with simple, honest beauty. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss a single idea we share. Drop a comment below and tell me, does your home have farmhouse vibes? Let's get inspired together. Your farmhouse facade sets the entire mood before anyone even steps inside. For peak summer, think freshly painted white or warm creamy board and batten siding paired with black window trims. That classic contrast never gets old. Hang a simple boxwood wreath on your front door, painted in a muted sage or deep navy. Add window boxes overflowing with petunias, trailing ivy, and yellow marigolds. A covered front porch with a hanging lantern and a rocking chair tells every passerby, life is slower and sweeter here. Curb appeal is your home's very first handshake. Make it warm, genuine, and utterly charming. The entryway is your home's deep breath. It should instantly calm and welcome. Install a shiplap-backed entryway station with sturdy black iron hooks for coats, straw hats, and woven tote bags. Add a narrow console table in distressed white oak, topped with a small vase of fresh lavender. A vintage framed mirror above reflects natural summer light beautifully. Below, a built-in shoe cubby keeps things tidy while a cushioned bench in ticking stripe fabric adds texture and practicality. Finish with a jute runner mat at the door. Durable, natural, and undeniably farmhouse. Every detail here whispers, welcome home. A farmhouse living room in summer should feel like golden hour all day long. Anchor the space with a slip-covered sofa in warm white linen. Slipcovers are a farmhouse essential, beautifully forgiving and washable. Layer a chunky weave cotton throw and toss pillows mixing buffalo check with solid dusty blue. Your coffee table, a reclaimed wood piece, becomes a styled vignette. A mason jar with sunflowers, a stack of vintage books, and a small ceramic candle. Keep window treatments sheer to flood the room with sunlight. Hang a simple wooden sign above the fireplace. Live simply, love deeply. The farmhouse dining room celebrates togetherness, and summer gives you so much to work with. Choose a long rectangular farm table in natural or whitewashed oak. The longer, the better for gatherings. Layer a simple bleached linen table runner down the center, and arrange a mix of mason jars and vintage bud vases filled with wildflowers, hydrangeas, and eucalyptus sprigs. Use mismatched white ceramic plates for that collected over time charm. Wooden-handled flatware and simple glass tumblers complete the look. The style principle here is curated imperfection. Nothing too matchy, everything intentional. Light a beeswax taper candle and let dinner begin. Nothing defines a farmhouse home more than its kitchen, and summer is when it truly shines. Paint your lower cabinets in a soft sage green and keep uppers crisp white, creating that visual break designers love. Open shelving above the counter is your summer canvas. Style with stacked white dishes, glass canisters of dried herbs, and a small potted basil plant. Your refrigerator should be paneled or in a matte finish to blend beautifully. The stove, ideally arranged with a pot filler, becomes a statement piece. Hang a small pot rack overhead with cast iron and copper cookware for rustic, functional beauty. Every farmhouse kitchen deserves a dedicated coffee corner, small but mighty and endlessly charming. Tuck a compact coffee machine, ideally in matte black or cream, into a section of your counter between the open shelves. Style the surrounding space with a small wooden tray holding your favorite mugs. Mix neutral tones with one or two with hand-painted florals. A tiny glass cloche over sugar cubes adds elegance. Hang a fresh bundle of dried lavender nearby for fragrance and visual softness. This microstation concept, defining small, purposeful zones within a kitchen, keeps your workflow smooth while making every morning feel intentional and lovely. Fresh flowers in the kitchen are non-negotiable during summer, and the farmhouse aesthetic makes them feel perfectly at home. Place a generous bunch of white peonies or garden roses in a vintage white ironstone pitcher near the window. It costs almost nothing and creates enormous impact. Line the windowsill with small terracotta pots of fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, mint. On your open shelves, tuck in a tiny bud vase with a single stem between your stacked plates. Pro tip: change your flowers weekly and rotate seasonal blooms. Sunflowers in early summer, zinnias mid-season, dahlias as fall approaches. Keep it living, keep it real. The farmhouse family room is where real life happens. Movie nights, lazy Sunday mornings, and everything in between. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall for that signature farmhouse look, framing it with floating wood shelves on either side. Style those shelves with a mix of framed family photos, small potted succulents, and one or two meaningful objects, a vintage clock, a woven basket. Choose a deep sectional sofa in performance fabric for durability, and anchor with a braided wool area rug. Keep the palette warm, creams, soft grays, touches of rust. Comfort and beauty, effortlessly coexisting. A farmhouse home office doesn't need to be a full room. A well-styled nook is enough. Choose a slim, unique desk in reclaimed wood or painted in an aged milk paint finish. On the desk, style a small brass desk watch. It adds vintage sophistication and quiet charm. A compact retro-style radio in cream or sage keeps the mood productive yet relaxed. Wall mount a small corkboard wrapped in burlap for pinning inspiration and notes. Add a task lamp in aged brass. Keep cords tucked and clutter minimal. The design principle here: functional minimalism with character. Every object earns its place on that desk. Adjacent to your office nook, carve out a reading retreat that feels like a gentle hug. A built-in bench with a thick linen cushion tucked into a bay window or alcove is pure farmhouse poetry. Stack vintage hardcover books nearby and add a wicker basket filled with a chunky knit throw. Hang a small sconce light above for evening reading. Aged brass or matte black keeps it farmhouse true. Place a small side table holding a mug of chamomile tea and a tiny succulent. This is the art of hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment, expressed in your own farmhouse language. Your farmhouse bedroom in summer should feel like sleeping inside a linen cloud. Start with an iron or distressed wood bed frame as your anchor statement. Layer your bedding in all-white or soft oat linen. The more washed and lived-in looking, the better. Add a quilt folded at the foot for texture. On your nightstand, a small bouquet of sweet peas or chamomile in a tiny glass bottle adds that essential summer touch. Use a weathered wood dresser and hang a large simple mirror to amplify natural light. Keep window treatments white and billowy. Tip: add a ceiling fan with wood blades, farmhouse style and summer functional. A farmhouse bathroom combines function with genuine soul. For the shower, consider subway tile in white with dark grout, clean lines with farmhouse character. Add a teak shower bench and hang a eucalyptus bundle from the shower head for that spa-like, botanical touch. At the wastafel, your vanity sink. Choose a vessel sink in white porcelain set on a reclaimed wood vanity. Cross-handle faucets in brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze complete the vintage feel. Hang a round wood-framed mirror above and display a small basket of rolled linen towels nearby. Fresh flowers on the vanity? Absolutely always, without exception. Who says garages can't have farmhouse charm? With a few intentional choices, this hardworking space becomes part of your home's overall design story. Paint the walls in a warm white or grayish and install simple open wood shelving along one wall for organized storage. Hang pegboards with black iron hooks for tools, baskets, and gardening essentials. Add galvanized metal bins and crates, labeled with simple chalkboard tags, for a farm supply aesthetic that's practical and pretty. A small potted fern or hanging plant near the door softens the space beautifully. Even the garage flooring matters. A durable gray epoxy coat keeps it looking clean and intentional. The farmhouse patio is your outdoor living room. Treat it with the same care and intention as any room inside. Anchor with a large farmhouse dining table in teak or painted wood and surround with mismatched chairs in warm tones. String globe lights overhead for that magical golden glow come evening. Pot large planters with lavender, salvia, and trailing sweet potato vine for full summer color. A galvanized metal watering can double as decor near the door. Add a small outdoor lantern cluster on the table center. Tip: use an outdoor jute rug to define your seating zone. It visually expands the space and grounds the whole design beautifully. Farmhouse design endures because it speaks a universal truth. Beauty lives in simplicity and authenticity. The style draws from collected over time aesthetics, combining old and new, rustic and refined. Key design principles include layering natural textures like linen, jute, shiplap, and wood, using a restrained neutral palette anchored by white, cream, and warm gray, and introducing life through plants, flowers, and natural light. The modern farmhouse evolution, pioneered and popularized widely, blends these traditional elements with cleaner lines and thoughtful function. Understanding these foundations helps you make design decisions with confidence, not following trends blindly, but building a home with true and lasting character. Furniture in a farmhouse home should work hard, look beautiful, and improve with age. Prioritize solid wood over particle board. It develops character over time rather than deteriorating. Look for furniture with simple, honest lines, turned legs, mortise and tenon joinery, plank top surfaces. Slipcovers on sofas and armchairs are farmhouse essential. They offer easy cleaning and relaxed elegance simultaneously. For accent pieces, scour antique shops and estate sales, a vintage milk glass lamp, an old wooden crate repurposed as a side table, a worn leather chair. These authentic finds are irreplaceable. Tip: invest in 1 or 2 statement heirloom quality pieces and complement with budget-friendly supporting furniture around them. In farmhouse design, accessories aren't afterthoughts. They're the soul of the space. Think: a collection of white ironstone pitchers arranged on a shelf, galvanized metal buckets, repurposed as planters, vintage cutting boards propped against a kitchen backsplash. Frame botanical prints in simple black frames and cluster them gallery wall style. Use chalkboard signs in the kitchen for a menu board or sweet message. Layer candles of varying heights on a wooden tray. A vintage scale on the counter. A wire basket of seasonal fruit on the table. These small choices accumulate into a home that feels genuinely curated, deeply personal, and absolutely alive with warmth. Feeling inspired but wondering where to begin? Start small and build intentionally. Begin with your most used room, likely the kitchen or living area, and apply 1 or 2 farmhouse principles. Add open shelving, introduce fresh flowers, swap a throw pillow. Then expand outward room by room. Always shop your own home first. An old wooden stool, a mason jar, a vintage frame. These are already farmhouse treasures waiting to be styled. Set a realistic budget and allocate the most to anchor furniture pieces. Paint is your highest ROI investment. A gallon of warm white transforms a room completely. Remember, farmhouse style is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every beautiful step. And there you have it, a full summer farmhouse journey from the front facade all the way to the back patio, filled with fresh flowers, open shelving, warm textures, and so much heart. I hope this sparked something in you. Maybe a shelf to style, a bunch of wildflowers to bring inside, or a whole room to reimagine. Remember, your home doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to feel like you. If you loved today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs some summer inspiration. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas and comment below. Which room are you transforming first? See you next time.